barely even know him, and he invited me.
Today we have Christmas list, giveaways, and more. Stay tuned. Hey guys, today we're going to be discussing some items that I think pretty much any lawn care nut would love to have on their Christmas list. So stay tuned for that. But don't forget, we do have a giveaway. First on the list is the Cujo Yardwear Yardwork Shoe. This all-purpose shoe is lightweight and is made for working on lawns, gardens, and landscape. The toe cap is waterproof, which is excellent if you're working on a wet lawn. The durable bottom is made with aggressive lugs to ensure traction is available when needed. This may be the perfect yard work shoe, and it's on my list for the holidays. Number 9 is a two-parter. We're actually giving you a 2-for-1 on this one. First off, we have the Leaf and Lawn Chute. Now these things are amazing. I have one. It's not this particular brand because I didn't find this before. But this does have 4.6 stars reviews on Amazon right now. I would like to say that these things are very helpful in the yard, and they make doing yard work by yourself a whole lot easier. To go with this, of course, you need to have the 30-gallon lawn refuse bags. I particularly like the Lowe's bags. I've been using them for this past year as a way to gather up lawn debris, whether it be lawn clippings, leaves on the ground, or anything else that may need to be picked up, as long as it is biodegradable. So what good is it if you go and do all this great work on your yard, have it looking amazing, but you still go outside and you have unsightly things like garbage cans or even the air conditioner? Well, this is where the number 8 comes in. This is an air conditioning screen cover. What we're trying to do here is we're just trying to make the outside just a little bit more pleasant. Now these may knock down the sound a little bit that's coming from your outdoor unit, but the best thing is they will hide that normally unsightly gray object. So this is on my list for spring, not for Christmas, but who knows? Maybe that's all you need is this part. So think about it. Continuing on with the concept of improving the outdoors, we come up to our next product, which is the Edison style bistro lights. These are LED bulbs for outside. There are 15 bulbs on each string. They have a orangish toned glow, which is really nice. There's nothing harsh about it, and it only comes off at about 1 watt, so you can string together many of the strings. We added these to our backyard this past summer, and it really brought a different feel to the area. This was a great purchase. I can't wait to get them back up. Had to take them down due to some storms coming through, but this really makes a difference in your yard. Now we're into the lawn equipment section of the list, and up next we have the Scotts Elite Spreader. Now Scotts lists this Elite Spreader as their most advanced and accurate spreader yet. Dual rotors provide increased accuracy and a 6-foot spread pattern, which means that you have less passes across your yard, saving you time. The hopper holds up to 20,000 square feet of Scotts lawn products, so if you use that is going to be, it's going to take care of a lot of space. The ergonomic handle provides comfort while also featuring a smartphone holder. And we all know we have to have that at all times. I know I can use an upgrade on my most current model, but I just can't see myself spending the hundreds of dollars that go along with the professional models that are out there. Maybe they're great, maybe they're not, I don't know. I just have a hard time going with $600 when I can get 5 of these for that cost. It's on my list, and I really hope I get to pick this one up this year. Next up on our equipment list for Christmas is going to be the Ego Power Plus MHC 1502. This is a multi-combo kit. It comes with a 15-inch string trimmer, an 8-inch edger, the power head unit, and the 5 amp hour battery. Oh, and the charger, sorry. This is a company, a tool company that is really gaining momentum around the lawn care industry and the home lawn care industry. And I've heard nothing but good things about this combo from anyone who's purchased it, reviewed it, talked about it online. You are getting the 15-inch string trimmer attachment, the edger attachment, the power head unit, which has even a few more attachments, and the 5 amp hour battery will last you almost all day. I don't think you could go wrong with this if you need an upgrade in this equipment. So take a look at it, see what you think. Now we have the Ego 20-inch battery powered mower. Once again, the Ego brand products are really getting amazing reviews. This one is currently at 4.6 stars on Amazon. I personally prefer to reel mow my lawn, but if I were in the market for a rotary mower, this would be at the top of my list. And it comes with a 56 volt lithium ion battery, which is the same battery that you can use on the previous combo equipment. With that means that you're going to have 2 batteries that you can power, like I said, nearly all day long for what you need to do. And if not, you're moving one, charging it, bringing it back, going from there. I don't think you could go wrong with this if you're in the market for a new rotary mower, and it is battery powered, which means if you don't have any other reason, you don't have to keep gasoline around, which is always helpful and always nice. Next up, we have the Stens Power Rotary Scissors. I actually purchased this past season, and I cannot say enough. These things are absolutely amazing for what they do. They are a little pricey, but I've already done a complete review, and if you'd like to see that, I'll leave a card up here somewhere so that you can check it out. Okay, so who's ready for the giveaway? Our next product on this list is actually what the prize is going to be. We have a MySoil soil test kit. And not only are we doing the soil test kit, we're also doing the MySoil soil test pro. So you'll have no excuses not to get this completed this season. What this product is going to allow you to do is actually see what your soil nutrient levels are. You're going to find out what your macros and what your even your micros and your pH. This is a complete kit, and it's one of the fastest turnarounds on the market. What you're going to do is you're going to go through, you're going to collect the soil, which I'll leave a link to a video up here so that you can go and check that out. It's actually done by Ron Henry, who has one of the most amazing yards, definitely in the Georgia area that I've seen. Once you collect your soil, you're going to ship it off in the prepaid envelope, and within 5 to 8 days, I believe is what they say, you should have your results returned to you online. What this is going to allow you to do is, as you continue to move forward into the season, you're going to be able to formulate a game plan so that you know, does your yard need more nitrogen? Does your yard need phosphorus? Does it need potassium? Do you need to get more iron? Do you have too much iron and need to pull some out? These are things that you're going to know, so you can go in with a plan and hopefully have the best season that you've had in a very long time. So the link to enter the contest is going to be down below. I'm running this through Gleam, so please go there. You don't have to subscribe to the channel. You don't have to do anything except for visit the page through the Gleam app. Once you've done that, you're entered. There are a few extra ways that you can enter this contest. And with that, I want to say also, by the way, YouTube has no affiliation with this. I'm not being sponsored for this. This is something that I'm putting together because I want to give back. I'm having fun making these videos. I hope you're enjoying watching them, and let's just keep having fun together, okay? All right, so don't forget the link is below to enter the contest. And one of the final things that I would like to suggest people to have on their Christmas list, because I know that it's going to be on mine. I've already used this product this past season with great results, but it is one of those products that unfortunately you do run out of and you need to replenish. So this one currently has 5 stars. I don't think it has a lot of reviews on Amazon, but pretty much across the DIY lawn care industry, I haven't seen anyone really give these products any type of bad name. what we're talking about is the Green County Fertilizer NEXT, also known as Next, Biostimulant Pack. In the Biostimulant Pack, you get the RGS formula, 1 gallon. You're going to get the Humic 12. You're going to get the microgreens, and you're going to get the Aerate. Now, these products can be applied as a supplement to your normal fertilization program. So if you like Scott's fertilization program, you can continue on with that normal 4-step program. And what you're going to do is you're going to supplement, and this is going to give your lawn a little more carbon. It's going to give it some micronutrients that are not in most of the Scott's products that I'm aware of. And you're going to continue to put down products that like the RGS that helps to stimulate deep root growth, which is going to help your lawn during any dry seasons. You shouldn't have any burnout, or at least hopefully you'll start to get less burnout from summer stress heat. So this is an amazing pack. Like I said, I haven't seen anyone bash it, give it a bad name anywhere online yet. But you know, there are a lot of people who do want to do those things. I personally recommend it. I like it. And if it's something that you'd like to add to your list, please take a look down below. I'll have the links to all these products in the description just in case you're interested. And that kind of concludes the main part of the list, but there are a few bonus things that I wanted to throw out there. The bonus things that I wanted to throw out there for you guys are organic lawn care books. I'm going to try to go more organic this year, get away from the synthetic fertilizers, and really try to build the soil up so that hopefully in the future I really don't have to put down nearly as many products to have a lush green lawn. Okay, so I've put up a couple of books here on the screen, and then also the next thing is when I'm out in the yard, a lot of times I'll have my Pandora playlist going, just kind of jamming out and enjoying it. But at the same time, I do also like to have some audiobooks going. I don't tend to have a lot of time to sit down and read, but if I find an interesting book, I try to get it on Audible. So I'm also going to recommend that, you know, if that's how your husband or your wife or your kid is, you can get Audible gift memberships. I believe they're in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year. So if you're going to go through that, you could offer them up as a gift. Here's 3 months of audiobooks. You know, maybe they get to it, maybe they don't, but it is definitely a way to continue that process when you don't have time to sit down and read. And also for you, in case you did not know, you can also get your own 30-day free Audible trial. Once again, I'll have the links for those below, so you really shouldn't have to go too much further than this page, except don't forget, we're giving away a lawn soil test. I'm hoping this shows up with my green screen. Hopefully it doesn't kick it out. But this is what we're giving away along with this. These are in hand and ready to ship. So you have until December 11th to complete your application or your entries. So, and you can get up to 6 entries if I'm not mistaken. So there are ways to get multiple entries. I want to thank you all for sticking with me throughout this video. I can't wait to give this away. I'm really excited to share and continue to share as this channel continues to grow. So thank you all. Hope you have a great holiday shopping time. And as we start to get closer to the holidays, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I pray that everyone is safe. Take care.